That
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I'm really excited to show you all the slimes that we have for today's restock. Don't forget that we do restock at 6 p.m. Central Time, so make sure that you convert that to your time zone if you live in a different time zone. A lot of the times we upload these videos like a couple hours earlier than the restock and people think that we're already sold out, but that is not the case. It just usually goes up before the restock is live. So with that in mind, I usually always do like a countdown on my Instagram story, so if you want to make sure that you are there and one of the first ones at the shop so you can snatch the slime that you want, then you should definitely check out my Instagram stories. But other than that, the slime that you are watching right now is obviously Chanel number 2. She is the queen of the unicorn slime shop, my bestseller. She is a very thick and glossy bubblicious bubblegum scented slime, very holdable, great for clicking and poking and stretching and bubble pops, and just really great. Next up, we have our shop's second bestseller. This one here is Baja Blast. It is an icy / cloud slime texture, so it has those drizzles and it's very thick and kind of looks like a slushy or an icy. It's really nice and it is scented just like Mountain Dew's Baja Blast, so just think of Mountain Dew mixed with like blue raspberry and tropical scents. It's really, really nice. Cream Soda Dum Dum is a slime that's inspired by my favorite Dum Dum flavor, which is the cream soda kind. I really love it so much. We tried to get the color almost exact, and I think we did a pretty good job. It looks more beige on camera than anything, but we used like pink and yellow to kind of make it like almost like a peachy orange type of tint, just like the lollipop. It's really nice, thick and glossy and scented just like cream soda and sugary lollipop, so it's a very sweet scent. I love this one a lot. Now, you might have got a little sneak peek of this slime if you are following me on Instagram at Unicorn Slime Shop. This one here is called Moonstone. I love it so much, and this is what it looks like when it clears up. It's just so beautiful. It's a clear-based slime, unscented, so that it stays super, super clear for you all, and there's no bead fallout whatsoever. It is packed full of these purple fishbowl beads that I got from the Kawaii Slime Company. Also, a bunch of purple, chunky, iridescent glitters, which I also got from Kawaii Slime Company. I love them so much right now. They're everything, and there are also a bunch of those holographic chunks in there as well, and a bunch of holographic glitters in general, so it's just really nice and sparkly. I love this one so much. I would say that this is not a full fishbowl, although there is a bunch of fishbowl beads in it. I would say it's probably a half fishbowl, so it's like half fishbowl beads and half slime. I would think that's the correct ratio, I would say, for this. It's just really nice, and the fishbowl provides an awesome texture and nice crunch. And we can't have a Moonstone without the Sunstone. So the Sunstone is basically the exact same concept. It has the exact same base. It's just colored orange. It's very stretchy and thick. I love it so much. There's no bead fallout. This one has clear fishbowl beads, so just the regular ones. And it is an orange colored base, but it also has some chunky pink iridescent glitters from the Kawaii Slime Company. And it also has iridescent glitters all throughout to make it super sparkly. And I love it. This one as well has the ratio probably of half fishbowl to half slime, and it's really nice. It's not a full fishbowl, but it has a great texture and awesome crunch. Sour Patch cereal is scented just like Sour Patch Kids, so it is sour and sweet scented. It's really nice and I love it so much. It is a thick and glossy base slime with blue and rainbow foam beads. They're the larger beads, so it gives it a really nice texture, and it also makes it super bubbly when you play with it a lot, so you'll get a lot of those bubble crunches. I love that in a slime, so if you like that too, you're really gonna love this one. Mine is not filled all the way just because mine is just my personal batch. I just had whatever was left over and I used that for the restocking video, so if it didn't look full in the beginning, that is why. But yeah, this one's really good. If you like the Sour Patch scent, then this one is definitely for you. Unicorn Cloud is back in the shop this week. This is a cloud slime that is scented just like acai berry and rainbow sherbet. It is so mouth-watering and delicious. I love the scent so much. This one is a cloud slime. Like I said, it has really nice drizzles and it is topped off with iridescent glitters and either star or heart glitters. And then you can get some unicorn glitters on top of that as well. So I really love this slime just for aesthetic purposes. And yeah, it's really drizzly. I love it so much, and it has that color changing effect where it like starts off as like a periwinkle kind of blue color, and then when you mix it, it turns into like a lavender color, and it goes back once you let it sit, so it's really cool. This right here is the making of fluffy pink candy. If you follow me on Instagram again at Unicorn Slime Shop, then you probably have already seen a little preview of this as well. This one here is a fluffier butter slime type of texture. I wouldn't say it's a full butter slime, but it is a mostly butter slime because there's a lot of clay in it. It's just definitely fluffier than a normal butter slime. That's why I'm calling it a fluffy butter slime. I really like it. It's scented just like fluffy pink candy from Lush, and it smells really, really good. And the color is just everything. It's like a hot pink, Barbie pink kind of color, and it's really nice, and it just totally fits together with the scent. Mermaid Soda Pop is a new slime to the shop. This one here is orange soda pop scented because obviously mermaids drink orange soda. If you didn't know that, you should look it up because that's a fact. Anyways, this one is a blue thick and glossy slime scented just like orange soda pop, and it has a bunch of purple and green kind of pastel foam beads that look just like mermaid colors. On the top of that, it is not a full flown, but they're just added in for texture and for looks, obviously, because it has to look like a mermaid if I'm gonna call it a mermaid slime. I really like this one. You all seem to like it too on Instagram, and I appreciate that. One of my favorites from this restock is S'mores Cookie Dough. This one is a buttercream slime. It is one of my best selling textures, so it has butter slime and basically cloud cream mixed together. It's really, really nice. This one is scented just like s'mores, and the scent is so mouth-watering. The color looks definitely more like a graham cracker kind of color in person, and it's just really cool. There is some black and white foam beads at the bottom just to kind of represent like chocolate chips and marshmallows, and I love the texture when you mix them in. It's just really, really good. This next slime is a butter slime called Guac is Extra. It's inspired by Chipotle and James Charles, basically. He has like a quote that's like, guac is extra and so am I, which I can totally relate to. I love this slime so much. It's scented like Avo Bath from Lush, and it smells really good. It's very citrusy, almost like a lemongrass scent, and I really love it. This one is a full butter slime, and I just really, really like it, and it kind of reminds me of Chipotle, and surprise, surprise, since I am, you know, basing a slime off of Chipotle, I'm actually going to be giving away a $5 Chipotle gift card to one random person that orders this slime, and the next slime as well. I will let you all know. So yeah, you could possibly get a $5 Chipotle gift card to get some guac or, you know, some. And since we have a slime inspired by the guac, you know we have to have Chipotle rice, so that is what this one is called here. It is a white glue micro foam with some random green foam beads sprinkled at the top just to kind of represent the cilantro in it. I was gonna scent this like an actual rice kind of thing. I just didn't know if y'all would like, you know, a cilantro lime scented slime, so we went with cucumber melon as well because, you know, it kind of fits as well. It smells really nice and therapeutic. I love the scent so much. This one is super, super crunchy because of the micro foam beads. It just gives it a lot of bubbles to pop and stuff like that. I love it so much, and it smells really good. And of course, since it is inspired by Chipotle, again, I am going to be giving away another $5 Chipotle gift card randomly to anyone, or to someone, I should say, who orders this slime. So, you know, you have a chance to win a $5 Chipotle gift card to get something, either if you order the Guac is Extra or the Chipotle rice. And last but not least, you know, fall is just around the corner, so we are hitting you with a fall slime super, super early. I know it's not even September yet, but your boy is excited for fall, alright? This one is called Pumpkin Cream. It is a cloud cream, super sizzly and spreadable and thick. I love it a lot, and it's scented just like sweet pumpkin and caramel, and it's really good. Also, before I forget, I did want to mention Slime Bash really quickly. I am so excited to see you all for Slime Bash 2, and for Slime Bash 3, I am actually confirmed as a VIP for Slime Bash 3, so I will be there, Daytona, Florida. I am so excited. The ticket links will be linked down in the description box below. You can just head over to slimebash.com if you want to head on out for 2019. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. In the comment section down below, let me know if any of these slimes you would like to see in a future restock. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!